Hi, I'm Lina. Have you ever felt nervous speaking on the phone in English? No one can see your face. You only hear the voice. But don't worry. Today, we'll practice phone conversation slowly, clearly, and together. Let's learn how to answer, ask, and reply with confidence. Ready? Let's begin.
Part 1. Basic phone phrases. Hello? Hi, this is Lina. Who is this, please? Can I speak to Emma? One moment, please. Sorry, she's not here right now. Would you like to leave a message? Yes, please. Tell her I called. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Bye. Part 2. Practical dialogue, phone chat. Hello? Hi, Lina. It's me, Alex. Oh, hi, Alex. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Are you free to talk now? Yes, I just finished breakfast. Great. I wanted to ask about the homework. Sure, let's go over it. I didn't understand question 3. Oh, that one is tricky. It means... Ah, I see now. Thanks. No problem. Do you need help with anything else? No, I'm good. Just wanted to check. Okay. Good luck with your studies. Thanks, Lina. Talk later. Bye. Part 3. Everyday expressions. I'll call you later. Can I call you back? My battery is low. I can't hear you well. Let's talk again tomorrow. Thanks for calling me. I missed your call. I was in a meeting. Vocabulary focus. Message. Information left for someone. Free. Available to talk. Call back. Return a phone call. Battery. Power level on your phone. Meeting. A planned time to talk or work. Repeat after me. Practice. Can I speak to Emma? I'll call you later. I'm sorry, she's not here. Let's talk again tomorrow. Thanks for calling.
Motivation for you. Speaking on the phone is hard, even for native speakers, but you just practiced it in English. That's brave. Every call you try, every sentence you speak builds your skill. Be patient with yourself. Speak slowly. You don't need to be perfect, just present. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Daily homework. Practice the dialogue with yourself or a friend. Call a classmate or record yourself pretending. Write your own phone script, 4 sentences.